Roger, pod 4, leaving 12-3, descending flight levels 060 with Bravo.
Pod 4, Roger. Age estimation Bravo is current 1016 on the QNH, runway 07 in use, and no delay expected. And confirm the approach requested today.
You want the RNAV or do you want the DME?
This is the VOR.
VOR DME 7, pod 4.
Pod 4 confirm request to come overhead and do the approach.
Yeah, right, all right there.
If we can go direct Emerald, that'll be great.
Direct Emerald for pod 4.
Pod 4 confirm requesting the RNAV approach runway 07.
Hold on. Which one do you want? Because that's not a point on the VOR.
Yeah, okay, then we can do the RNAV, I guess.
That makes sense. RNAV GNS.
Yeah, we're not going to do the whole procedure turn on the VOR.
And you want Imali?
Yeah, Imali is good.
Can we get the direct Imali for the RNAV 7 pod 4?
Pod 4 cleared direct to gates, that's Golf Alpha Delta X Sierra, the T for the RNAV approach runway 07.
Okay, clear direct gates, pod 4.
Okay, so...
I'm sending you up.
Thank you.
Pod 4, affirm and clear for the RNAV approach runway 07. Descent 2,500 feet, clear for the RNAV approach runway 07.
2,500 will clear for the RNAV approach runway 7, pod 4.
And I just have, I think you gotta load gates as the,
correct.
Is there gates? No, there isn't. Alright, just do...
I'll just pick one. Beavens,
oh, Kasky or Meadows should be good.
It's not there either.
Oh, and M, Meadows?
Kasky.
Yeah,
There we go.
Yeah, that's also good. And then you can just do direct, direct gates.
Yeah, you'd be so lucky.
Yeah, I'm gonna start slowing down, going down.
Direct gauge, you like it?
Yep.
And you're on
Already on nav.
2,500, you got it.
Yep, and we got 4
Approach.
minutes, and we gotta lose 6,000 feet. That's fine, we're gonna be fine. Alright, let's brief it real quick. We're changing to the RNAV 7. Let's get rid of that bearing source. So, we're going gates, Imali, bow power. The MDA, it's an LNAV approach, is 630.
Set.
And the NOTAM is still the same, about the last 360 meters on the runway. Final approach course 073, and missed approach is straight ahead, climb 2,500 feet to Lidoc, and then direct Imosu and hold there.
2,500 is
performance is still 125 VRAF, and we need 4,500 feet factored out of about 7,000 feet with a shortened runway. Weight is basically at max, and no wind. Beautiful weather.
No questions?
Copy that. And you know what, you can go, no, never mind, just leave it, because the top of the descent is 25 above.
Right.
So 304, backtrack runway 07, and copy clear.
Let's see, there's no speed restrictions, right? I don't see any.
So 304, cleared to Adams by the Alpha 632, climb to maintain flight level 230.
And transition level is 4,000.
Correct.
And 10,000 checks, I know, we're built in, maybe on the ground.
Oh yeah, that's right.
So 304,
we'll get them
reback
after the
standby
transition,
restriction.
if you're cool with that.
Sounds good.
We should be able to see the airport. It's pretty.
Yeah.
See the airport right over there on the left side of the bay.
Yeah, I think I see it.
Alright, I'm ready for 3000.
3000.
The altimeters left and right switches, or landing switches are on. Passenger, we don't have fuel quantities balanced. Still good. Landing data review approach set up crew brief was completed. Barrel RA minimums are set. Approach checklist, smoke seatbelt, dope pass, crew belt on left, on right, I'm sorry.
And left.
APU bleeds set for landing.
Pod 4, report crossing gates.
crossing gate, sir, part 4. Yeah, it's right there on the left side of the bay.
Okay.
The very edge of the water.
Sounds good.
35 descending 25.
So 304 expedite the backtrack, please.
I see the approach captured.
Yep.
Waiting for a path. Going 2,000 on the altitude?
Yeah, why not? I'll just let it, because we're not on VPAF, so I just want to let it capture and then,
Okay.
and then go down.
Belts cap, there we go.
Sweet.
Airport 4 crossing gate. I don't know what he said.
Airport 4, Roger. Have you in sight now? Report the Mali inbound.
We're reporting Mali inbound, Airport 4.
Okay.
So 304
And
clear
glide
to take
path
off,
is
runway
armed.
07,
I
right
see it.
turn out, wind 112 at 10 knots.
112, so you can have a little bit of a right crosswind 10 knots.
Copy. Yeah, that's not too bad of a place to spend your
No, not at all.
Christmas holiday.
No.
The airport in sight.
Got it?
That looks amazing.
It's beautiful. You able to extract pictures out of that?
Not really. Alright, let's start slowing down.
Sounds good.
Airport 4, Roger. Have you turning at the Mali now? Report Bhopal for landing clearance. Traffic departing the runway, the right turnout is a Embraer 145.
That checks and we'll report Bhopal inbound, Airport 4.
Okay.
I see it'll pilot off.
Damn, that's nice.
It's gorgeous. Alright,
Let's do flaps
Flaps
10.
is alive. Speed checks flaps 10. VGP's captured.
Copy.
Screen. Flaps set 10.
Thank you. I guess at the missed approach, 2500.
2500. Coming right up. Missed approach altitude set.
Thank you. And speed 180.
Speed 180. Set.
Flaps 20.
Speed check flaps 20.
And yeah, we just got to figure out where signature is on the field.
Yep. I can ask him now.
Okay.
We'll report Bhopal. And Airport 4, Bhopal inbound going to signature. Is that a right turn at the end or left turn?
It'll be a right turn to Echo.
Right turn to Echo, Airport 4, thank you. Yep.
Airport 4 clear to land, runway 07, wind 090 at less than 5 knots.
Zero land runway 7, Airport 4.
Okay, gear down, please.
So 304,
Speed check
Bomber
landing,
1202, report meet us next.
Go meet us F304.
I see 3 green, you see it?
I see it. And flaps full, and bug
Speed check
VREF, please,
flaps
125.
Full. There's your F.
Thank you.
And
Before landing checks.
yes, sir. In progress. Landing gear down. 3 green. Confirmed. Flaps are set to 30, indicating landing clearance is received. Exterior lights all on. That completes before landing. Next one's after landing.
Thank you. That's amazing.
Approaching 07.
Approaching minimums. Minimums.
Landing.
500.
Coming up over the numbers, we got 3 green and we are okay to land.
Thank you.
$100. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Oh, lost. Extended. Deployed.
Pod 4, Airport 4, landing berth time 1206, continue, vacate right, attack to Echo, exiting the runway, contact ground frequency 121.9 further, good day.
Okay, right on the code with the ground point 9, Airport 4, good day, sir.
Okay, right on Echo.
Yes, sir, it's coming up. Bison construction, here's your sign.
I should have held that, should have added more throttle at the end. I idled it a bit too soon. Just a bit too soon, and then I think it was a combination of the early idle, and I think we lost a little bit of headwind behind that hill on the right, and that really killed our lift. All right, after landing checklist, please.
In progress.
I think that's a 7,500 maybe? Or no, it's too short.
Can't tell.
Okay, off the runway, I see the Marshal.
Yep.
And APU is turning on. Proxys fault, we'll take a look at that. It's gone.
Okay, left and right probes are off. Wing and jet engine dice is off. Flaps are retracted. After landing, checklist complete.
Okay, taxi lights off, please.
Taxi lights off.
So 304, confirm 22 miles on bird.
304. FM 2 miles now. Position middle.
So 304 and confirm level climbing to?
8430.
Passing flight level 120.
For what level?
You give us the 30.
So 304 correct, contact water 1213, good day.
Water 113, thank you.
What
Okay. You got a minute left on the,
Okay.
where's the nose steering?
Brake is set.